Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel guys. In this video I am telling you how to create a Google account in your computer. So guys, this process is simple and this is same from your mobile. Guys, this process is same for your mobile. You can use this process on your mobile or your PC. It's your choice. So guys, first of all open your browser, and here you see that this is my account icon. And if you are creating a new Google account, you see here sign in, so you can simply click sign in, or you can go to add another account and you see the option create account. And here are three options: for myself, for my child, to manage my business. If you are creating a Google account for yourself, you choose for myself. If you are creating a Google account for your child, you choose child. Or if you are creating a Google account for a business, you choose to manage a business. I simply choose for myself. And here you see the page create a Google account. So you write your first name and last name and username. The username is the Gmail account that you create. For example, I will type, and you see he shows me the username is taken by another. So down you see he provide me three options. So I will select this, or you can type it yourself. Simply write password. Guys, I highly recommend you to create a strong password and simply click next. Here you see the option, the phone number is optional, the recovery email address is also optional, and here we add month and choose our gender and simply click next and scroll down, click I agree. And here you see that guys, our Gmail account is create. So you see our Gmail account is create. You can use it to create a YouTube account or another. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, so click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. So guys, thank you.